Based off of that, you're going to mount the barricade in whatever supported kneeling position that you should choose.
Okay, so for orientation, we have Trench 1, where we are going to be focusing our attack on, Trench 2 to the east, and then Trench 3 to the north. Whoever's starting to push their way out, they're going to need to start buddy rushing and getting themselves set.
Consolidation of the ambush has been conducted.
And tentative enemy position, Trench 3.
They can see 400 to 500 meters with respect to exactly where they're looking. Reinforce. Unlikely. Due to the large distance between, the purpose of this mission is to hinder their logistics.
Set off the Claymore.
So from this point forward, Mr. Claymore is not our friend.
Let's focus on the right side of there! Focus on the right side of there!
He's going up now, sir.
Yeah, just don't go past the tire stack. Kill. Bring it back.
Roger.
And then proceeded to
So you're
unravel the rest
gonna
of
wrap
this.
that around the base 2 times after you see the blasting gap, yes. On your live one.
I mean, it feels like
Left target! Let's go around! Your team, right targets, right targets.
Hey, everyone, bring it in. Everyone, bring it in.
Did we load back for towards Diaz? No.
yeah. Yeah. I'm pushing. Jaden, sit. Cross that road, set in.
First aid push. Jane, let's go.
They found it.
Push it up.
Rightmost door entry.
Right door entry.
Take it.
One every three. One every three.
One every three.
One every three. One every three. One every three.
Taking it, Hernandez.
Okay.
Hold that window! Hold that window! On your back, Ethan.
On the window.
Go, 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 go! I got one! I got one!
You want us to float out on the
Flow out this building, stage right here, ready to move back where we came.
Roger, move it.
Let me know when your team's there, ready to go.
Roger.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Quietly.
Hey, we're taking no fire.